Hello friends, today we are going to continue chapter number 2, First World War and Russian Revolution, lecture number 7. Friends, in this chapter we started discussing about the world history. Friends, we discussed that what were the circumstances that this destructive war, First World War, happened in the history of the world. Friends, as we all know that this war was very destructive. We were moving through in this chapter about moving towards the reason that were responsible, the factors that were responsible for this First World War. Friends, today we are going to cover the same topic. Friends, in the previous lecture we discussed that one reason was this greed. At the initial stage, it was the greed of establishing the colonization of these European countries. They wanted to establish their power into the world. They wanted to conquer the weaker countries, and for that reason they started establishing their colonies in Asia and Africa. Friends, we discussed how due to the greed of these European countries, they did not even spare their neighboring countries. Spain, it conquered many regions of its neighboring countries. When the Portuguese king died without heir, the king of Spain took the control over Portugal. So lots of such things happened in the history of India, where these European countries took control and established their colonies in the other countries. Friends, after that we also looked that non-European countries also started walking on the footsteps of these European countries. They also started attacking on the weaker countries and established their colonies. These powerful countries exploited the weaker countries. We looked how they expanded their colonies in Asia. After England had its control over India, it took its control over Sri Lanka, China, Singapore. We also discussed how China was forced for doing the war, and after that, as we discussed, that due to these trading reasons, China was defeated in the war. And once China was defeated in the war, that is Opium War. It's one kind of drug trading. And once it was defeated, it had to open its spy port for the trading. And once these spy ports were open for these European countries, the other countries, Germany, France, America, they also started establishing their their trading and political rights in Asia. Then their eyes stuck on the Western Asian countries, which was a huge source of oil resources. There, they started expanding their rule on the West Asian countries and established their colonies in Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait. Friends, then we discussed about how they established their colonies in Africa. We learned that at the time of Industrial Revolution, these Asian and African countries were the main source for them for the production of raw materials. They used to take this raw material into their country for making the final product and sell them into this open market of Asia and Africa and earn maximum profit from it. Friends, we learn how this greed of achieving this raw material lead them to establish the colonies into Asian and African countries. We learn how the Dutch came and established its colonies in South Africa. So that England came, it had its control in Cape and Algeria. Then we learned how King Leopold of Belgium, he established its colonies and control over Congo. We learned lots of, after that Italy also came, France came. Italy established its control near the areas of Red Sea. So friends, after that Spain, Germany, they also established and took control over the different parts of Africa. So maximum areas were captured by these European countries. In 1884-85, a conference was held at Berlin in Germany for the distribution of these provinces of Africa. This shows the power and control of these European countries. Friends, this is considered the way that lead to the First World War. The dissatisfaction of the other countries. Now, there were several reasons due to which this First World War happened. Today, friends, we are going to discuss about the factors that were responsible for the First World War. Friends, today we are going to discuss about the factors that were responsible for First World War. Friends, in the previous lecture also we discussed that these greedy nations that lead to these factors. There were several factors that were responsible for this First World War, that lead to this First World War. How? Which were the factors? So friends, there were total 8 factors that were responsible for this First World War. If we discuss, first was Sedan War, second economic factor, third militarism, fourth groupism, fifth philosophy of war, fifth then role of newspaper, friends, these were some factors that were responsible. Then here nationalism, means we can say fierce nationalism, feeling of fierce nationalism, then beginning of the war we can say, beginning of the war, these were some of the factors that are responsible for this war. So friends, here Sedan War, economic factor, militarism, groupism, philosophy of war. Okay, 6 number, that is role of newspaper, feeling of fierce nationalism, and the 8th was beginning of the war. Friends, these are some of the important factors that lead to the First World War. Friends, first was the Sedan War that happened between France and Germany. Then economic factor. What was the economic reason due to which that lead to the First World War? Another one was militarism, groupism, philosophy of war, means the thinking of war, role of newspaper, what did the newspaper play the role, feeling of fierce nationalism, and eighth was the beginning of the war. So friends, these are some of the reasons due to which First World War happened. We learn about each and every factor in detail one by one. Friends, today we are going to cover the factor that is Sedan War. Sedan War. First, let us discuss about how this Sedan War was responsible for this that lead to the First World War. Friends, how this Sedan War became responsible factor for the First World War. It is said, friends, that this Sedan War happened between Germany and France. Germany and France fought a war between each other at Sedan in France. Here it is said that Germany and France, they fought a war between each other at Sedan, that is in France. Then friends, here it is said that this war was fought between Germany and France due to the satisfaction with each other. In this war, it is said Germany defeated France. Germany defeated France in this war, and due to it, France was forced to sign a Frankfurt Treaty in 1871. Friends, here it is said Germany defeated France, due to which he was forced to sign a Frankfurt Treaty in 1871. As we learned in the previous lectures and the previous chapter as well, that after winning any kind of war or battle, the victorious nation got something or the other that benefited it. Here, when Germany defeated France in the Sedan War, why it is called Sedan War? Because this war was fought between Germany and France at Sedan, that is in France, and that is why this war was known as Sedan War. Why this Sedan War is responsible? Because once when Germany defeated France, France was forced as it was defeated nation. Now it had to pay something or the other for the reason of its defeat, and that is the reason France was forced to sign a Frankfurt Treaty in 1871. What was this Frankfurt Treaty? Friends, here it is said, according to this treaty, France had to pay a huge war fine and also give its two provinces that is Lawrence and abscisses. Friends, here it is said that according to this treaty, France was now forced to pay a huge war fine. France was considered as the responsible because it was defeated with Germany, and that is why now France had to pay the war fine. It had to pay fine for conducting this war. So France had to pay a huge war fine. So it had a huge economical loss, and also give up its province, that is Lawrence and Abscis. Two of its province, two of its region, France had to give to Germany. So Germany took control over the two provinces, that is Lawrence and Abscis, of France. So now Germany became more powerful because it had control over the two areas, that is Lawrence and Abscis of France, as well as Germany also collected a huge amount of war fine from France. Friends, due to this reason, it is said that France felt humiliated and decided to take revenge. Friends, here it is said that it was due to this reason, due to this reason, France felt humiliated. It felt insulted that though we are defeated, when once any country is being defeated, already that country has something or the other loss. Lots of property is lost, lots of human life are lost. So friends, already France had lost a lot of things, but still they had to pay a huge sum of war fine. Also, France had to give away its two provinces to Germany. Due to this reason, France felt humiliated, insulted, and decided that when our time comes, we will also not step back to take revenge with Germany. So now, this humiliation feeling came in France. So now, France also decided to take revenge whenever France got the chance to take revenge from Germany. Friends, here it is said that it was due to this reason that brought enmity between France and Germany. Here it is said that as per the historians, this second war was primarily responsible for First World War. Friends, here it is said, lots of historians believe that the Second War was primarily responsible for the First World War. It was one of the important factors that led to the First War, because due to the dissatisfaction of France, now it had the thinking of taking revenge from Germany. So friends, today as we discussed about the factor that was responsible for this First World War, we discussed that there are total 8 factors: Second War, economic factor, militarism, groupism, philosophy of war, role of newspaper, feeling of fierce nationalism, and beginning of the war. Friends, starting discussing about the factor responsible, we started about the Sedan War, in which, friends, we discussed that this Sedan War happened between Germany and France at Sedan in France, and that is why it was known as Sedan War. Friends, in this, the result was that Germany defeated France, and due to which France was forced to sign a Frankfurt Treaty in 1871, due to which France had to pay a huge war fine and give away its two provinces, Lorraine and Alsace. Friends, this treaty was found humiliating for France, and it decided to take revenge from Germany. So, this thinking of taking revenge started developing in France and other supporting countries as well. So, many historians believe that this Sedan War was primarily the factor that was responsible for First World War. So, friends, today we discussed about the Sedan War. We will discuss about the other factor in our next lecture. Thank you.